Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how you can easily get approved for option trading in Robinhood. So to get started with the best method on how you can easily get approved for option trading in Robinhood, so the first thing to do is to open the app, which is very necessary, then sign in, then tap your profile icon, then go to the settings and tap option tradings. So once you're done with that, the next thing to do is to complete the application. So fill in the questionnaire about your income, your experience, and risk tolerance too. So once you're done with that, be honest and make sure all information is accurate. Then once you're done with that, you have to build the trading history. So if you are new, place a few stock trade first and maintain a healthy account balance to show activities. Then once you're done with that, submit and wait. After completing the form, submit it and wait for review. Most approval takes about 24 to 40 hours of verification. So upgrade for higher levels if needed. So for advanced strategies like spread, Robinhood may require additional verification or a phone review, and that's it. So once approved, you can start trading options directly in the Robinhood app, and that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.